This is another specimen of Ficus religiosa. These are two trunks in one bonsai plant. So you can develop ultimately as a twin trunk style. As I explained in my earlier videos, you can wire these branches and the main trunk, and gradually you can shape them. These branches are tiny and they are also tender. I am using copper wire. The problem with the copper wire, as days go on, wire becomes very, very tight, tough. I still prefer aluminum wire to copper wire because that is more flexible. But however, copper wire has its own advantages. So the thinner wire also can be stiff when compared to aluminum wire. So bend always lower and then lift it up. And the other one also, when you bend and shape, be gentle and get it to desired shape. But definitely as the plant grows, the ultimate design may be completely different. I hope you enjoy these small videos on wiring simple beginners bonsais. Take care.